Yes, how are you everyone here? I am here with the Seagulls, you see, and I bring to them sandwiches, is jam, natural, no sugar, with butter. They love butter, they love cheese, and those fella, look, they look at my sandwiches, they wanna eat. They have great appetite, and they born in the urban area. Look, another one here, and you as well, yeah. They are hungry, they wanna eat. Yesterday I gave him bread with chicken. It's mean. Look, another one here. Chicken sandwiches. And today I have jam here inside with butter, and I will feed them and make them happy, and I will back home as well, happy as well. And let's go.